the expression x positive 10 times x positive b and x square positive 3 bx positive c, where b and c are constants or equivalent, what is the value of c? The question says this expression and this expression are equivalent, so we can equate them. Then we get x positive 10 times x positive b is equal to x square positive 3 bx positive c. Here we get an equation. Further, we can use the Desmos to solve this problem. For that, we have to take this equation as input in Desmos. And my aim is not to get the graph of this equation. My aim is to get the value of the unknown constant c in this equation. In that case, when I take this equation in Desmos, for x I have to use x1, and for equal sign I have to use a tilde sign. Okay, now let me take this equation in Desmos. That is, for x I have to use x1. x1 positive 10 times x1 positive b is equal to x1 square. Let me do it. Then we have 3 times b times x1 positive c. Sorry, I have accidentally taken equivalent sign. Instead of equal sign, I said we have to take tilde sign. Okay, here I have taken tilde sign. And this equation contains two unknown constants, b and c. Since this equation contains two unknown constants b and c, we have to give two different real values as input for x1, or we can give more input values for x1. There is more than two input values for x1. For that, we have to take x1 then equals to, we have to take square bracket. To give more than two input values for x1, there is a shortcut in Desmos. That is, we have to type 1, type 3 dots, then we have to take 10, close the square bracket. So Desmos automatically will take the 10 input values from 1 to 10. Okay, here we got the value of the unknown constant c, that is c equals to 50.